This 2017 Ford Transit is brought to you by RLB Sales. 2017 Ford Transit 350 HD16 and M, number 39, box truck. Expected condition for the year and mileage. That is sure to please. Features include 3.7L V6 engine, automatic transmission, box with Tommy gate, 16 and M, number 39, LX86 and quote, WX7 and M, number 39, T, 4.10 limited slip differential, exterior upgrade package, air conditioning, cloth interior, cruise control, AM/FM/CD player audio system, keyless entry pad, long power mirrors, trailer wiring provisions, heavy-duty alternator, dual heavy-duty batteries, high-capacity UP-fit switches, interior upgrade package, and much more. This is a fantastic box truck with numerous features. Assured to please, this box truck is in expected condition. We're consistent with age and mileage. Visit us at rlbsales.com.